Here is how to learn the bow skill in World of Warcraft Horde King, also known as WotLK. So for this you will have to come to a weapon trainer if you are a warrior or a rogue, because hunters can already use bows since level 1, okay, and other classes can't use the bow. So that being said, I will cover both sides, Alliance and the Horde, and now let's start with the Alliance. So for the Alliance you will have to come right here in Darnassus, because here you will find the weapon master who will teach you the bow skill, alright? So the location on the map is that you will have to come right here in the north, in Terrace, in Darnassus, and in Darnassus at the warriors Terrace you'll find the weapon master right here who will teach you the bows. Let's speak with her. Alright, and here is the bow skill. I already have it learned and it will cost 9 silver. So that being said, let's get now on the Horde and I will show you how to get it as a Horde character. Alright, here I am on my Horde character. I'm really sorry for my voice, I'm really sick at the moment when I'm recording the video. So for the Horde you'll have to come right here in Orgrimmar. So in Durotar, in the north of Durotar you'll find Orgrimmar, and in Orgrimmar you will have to come at the Valley of Honor. Right here you'll find the weapon master who will teach you the bow skill. Here it is. I already have it learned the same way as with the previous character, and after you learn this skill you'll be able to equip bows on your character. So I hope this tutorial helped you out, and thanks a lot for watching.